Igbo bụ Igbo, anyị abatago na village kitchen. Achọrọ m ịkọwara gị ka ị ga-esi wee prepare a noodles for your family maka ahụike ha na nchekwaba ha. When you get a noodles, please try to add these ingredients I list there. Buy it from market, prepare it for your children and your oga. You see that once they wake up, they will get a strength. Ahụike ha esiwanga ike. See all these ingredients you see out here. This one is called cucumber. Cucumber, see it here. I slice it. Why this one is carrot. This one is onions. This one is garlic. Why this one is pepper. See our oil. And wow, see the noodles. You add garlic. After garlic, you add onions. You add onions. Wow. Ooh, very fine. Then you add a little salt. A little salt. You turn it. Then you add carrots. You add carrots. You turn it. Then you add cucumber. See it? You add cucumber. Which city are you watching me? Which country are you watching me? Then you add a little spices. You turn it. Wow. You add small pepper. Small pepper to it. You turn it. Then you add our noodles. Wow. You turn it. Then you cover it for just a minute or 2 minutes. Let us check our food. Wow! If you want to make noodles, try to do it the way you see it here. Wow! Our food. That lady. Let us taste it. You sure? Very good.